The Redmi Y2 features a 5.99-inch HD Plus screen, which makes it a great choice for gaming and entertainment. The matte finish and the curved edges helps you hold and use it in one hand effortlessly. The phone is made available in 5 color options: dark grey, gold, rose gold, black and blue. This phone comes in 2 variants. The 3GB RAM variant comes with 32GB internal memory, while the 4GB variant comes with 64GB internal memory. The internal memory in both the variants can be expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card. The Redmi Y2 has dual nano SIM slots, which both support 4G Volt capability. This phone also has a dedicated microSD card slot. It has a 5.99-inch HD Plus full-screen display with an aspect ratio of 18:9 and HD resolution, making it suitable for watching movies or gaming. The phone also has a fingerprint sensor at the rear and face unlock feature. The phone features a 12-megapixel plus 5-megapixel AI dual rear camera with PDAF fast focusing and flash, along with a 16-megapixel front camera with soft-toned selfie light, precise bokeh effect and HDR for some amazing selfies. The Redmi Y2 runs on Android Oreo-based MIUI 9.5 and has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor, which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. This phone is powered by a 3080 mAh battery. The phone comes with a charger, warranty card, SIM ejector pin, user guide and a clear soft case. The Redmi Y2 is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.